Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making programs start automatically when Windows 10 starts up. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Begin by opening the Start menu, then select Settings. In Windows Settings, click on Apps. Now you are in Apps and Features, select Startup from the left sidebar. This shows you a list of all your installed apps and programs with toggles which indicate if the app launches on startup. Every app you enable here will automatically start up in the background when you turn on your PC. You can also disable unwanted apps from launching here too. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.